Hope you've all had a nice week, and this is the first video of zoning out, so I hope you all enjoy. I wanted to say thank you to everybody that took the pictures of the annular eclipse that took place this time last week across, I think it was Western America and the Pacific Ocean and like southern China, I think. But yeah, there was some really nice pictures taken of that. And the pictures that you're seeing right now are of the eclipse that took place last week as well. It's a shame that the best views of the eclipse were mainly from the Pacific Ocean, where nobody can really get to see it properly, but oh well, I'm sure there'll be another one for us to see in the near future. So let's get started on space headlines from around the world this week. An article released on Tuesday by MSNBC brings up new evidence to suggest that there may be a planet up to 4 times the size of Earth orbiting our Sun in the far reaches of our solar system, way past the orbit of Neptune. I'm gonna say what we're all thinking, Planet X, and this may well be the case. An astronomer by the name of Rodney Goons presented his research at the American Astronomical Society in Timberline Lodge at the beginning of this month. When conducting research on dwarf planets in the scatter disk region of the solar system, where Pluto and other small icy bodies orbit, Rodney found that the orbits of the small dwarf planets were being greatly distorted and pulled off course by what could be another large planet orbiting in the outskirts of our solar system. Though still not proven to be true, Rodney and his team feel very confident that there is in fact a 9th undiscovered planet a great distance out in our solar system. This wouldn't be the first time a planet was discovered by studying abnormal orbits. Neptune was found under the same circumstances in 1846. Space Exploration Technologies, aka SpaceX, made history this week with the launch of the first ever commercial spacecraft. The mission went perfectly to plan, with the spacecraft successfully docking at the ISS on Friday, bringing the human race just one step closer to colonizing space. And that probably isn't a good thing. The founder of SpaceX, who is also co-founder of PayPal, posted an amusing tweet on Wednesday after the spacecraft was launched, saying the president just called to say congrats. Caller ID was blocked, so at first I thought it was a telemarketer. I found that pretty funny. A new asteroid was discovered this week on May the 23rd. Is estimated to be around 80 feet long, about the same length as a blue whale, and probably, by my rough calculations, probably going to be about 500 tons. It's more than certainly nothing to worry about. By the time it's gone through our atmosphere and broken up and burned up and stuff, it'll probably be about the size of like a TV monitor or something. Nothing to worry about at all. Well, like unless it hits your head on or something, but I really doubt it would. It's supposed to be a Clemus anyway, flying over us at a height of 51,000 kilometers, so I highly doubt we'll even get to the point of breaking up in our atmosphere. I'm not too sure what time it's visible or where it's visible from, or even if it is visible at all at this moment in time, but if I find out, I'll update the description and send a link to like the information source where I found it. And the last bit of space news I want to share with you this week is a video posted on YouTube by a guy called SunsFlare, and he's got a video, I think it's of the Soho satellite that records the sun, and it's of this circular object like maybe 4 times bigger than Jupiter, and it comes out, I'll put the video so you can see it, it peeks through the like atmosphere of the sun, or whatever you want to call it, and you can see it just there in clear view, and the sun ejects a solar flare out, and this object blocks it and sends it back to the surface of the sun. And I didn't know if this was a space anomaly or if it's UFO, if I should have put it in the UFO, in one of my UFO videos. I didn't know where to put it, but if you see the video, it's very strange. And I've posted a link to the video below, and you can go and listen to what this SunsFlare guy is saying about it. He goes into a lot more detail than I've just gone into about it, so go and check that out. And that about sums it up for all the space news this week. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to come back next week for the next video. It's every Sunday, remember. And yep, thanks for watching.